Atlas Teachers are based in central England. They're a new addition to the international recruitment scene, and already they seem to be making some impact. I'm sure it's a very difficult time to launch a new service, the background of coronavirus and all that goes with it. So this is the home page, and you can see the contact information is very visible, even the physical address. And you can see there's a partnership there with the British Schools in the Middle East, which is a good partnership to have established when starting out. So it's a nice responsive website. I'm sure it looks good on a phone. Fair bit of information about why one might choose their service, and a few testimonials from people who've used it already. Now, if we go to Browse Jobs, which I've already opened in another tab, we can see that there are 18 jobs currently available, of which more than half are in China. Wuhan could be interesting at this time. So looking for English teachers, social studies, sciences, a fair mix. So it's all main scale, mainly English, maths and science, and one primary job, I think. So that's the full range of what's on offer at the moment. And if you click on the job, this one's for the English teacher in Wuhan. You can see that the salary is there. That there's a bonus if you complete. The benefits are also added, as well as the teaching load, which is good to see. It's not something that you often see. So if you click I'm interested, it'll take you to the next phase. You can also get a link to visit their website, which is a nice addition. I believe if you are interested, you go through the agent who will then be in contact with the school and advocate on your behalf. Other than that, there's some basic information about who they are, what they offer. Some information for teachers. And also information for schools. So nothing too specific, it's all fairly generic, but it is I think basically a startup. The contact information gives you the same information as at the top of the page, but there are options to fill in an online form and contact the agents through that mechanism. There's also a WhatsApp number as well, so you can contact them directly in that manner. So overall, what I like most about it is the website. I think it's well designed. It looks good, stands out. There's also been a lot of work into it. And I wish them well. Wish them well with their venture into a competitive sector. But I think that smaller agencies have a big advantage because they can devote more time to the candidates who sign up for their services. Sometimes maybe you can get lost in the administrative, logistical side of one of the bigger scale organizations who may have a lot of agents dealing with candidates, but at the same time, they may be swamped in a workload, particularly during the busier periods. So an agency with fewer schools on their books and fewer clients is more likely to give you that personal touch. And just to say as well, their service for teachers is free. And again, like so many others, where they will make an income is through the charges that they'll pass on to the schools when they recruit on their behalf, of which I really don't know what they charge at the moment. So, if you like this short video, then please like it on YouTube so that it promotes my service a little bit more. Very nice. Subscribe to the channel. By doing so, you'll get notifications on YouTube of future content when it's uploaded. And please use the comment box. Maybe you have used atlasteachers.com already and we'd all be interested in your feedback. How did you find the service and how reliable are they? So, thank you.